Oh My Giona here, and today I'm gonna be watching the official music video for Dilaw by Maki. I've been hearing this song a lot on TikTok, and it's like, oh my gosh, it's so good. Narinig ko na yung full song sa labas ng JRU. Kasi hindi pwedeng pumasok yung mga hindi students for that event. Pero, narinig ko siya. And it was really good. Tapos nasa labas kami and we're like, mukhang delikado na naman ako. So I'm really excited to hear like the whole song. And then there's a music video too, which features Bini Maloy. I really like Maloy. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Tagal naghintay for this song, Charis. Aww. Everything was like dark. Ah, so excited! Te, ang luwang na kasada. Nabigo. Sino kayo una ma-fall? Siya? Si Maloy o si Maki? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Yeah, that was so rude. Kahit pumuti, di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong. Dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako so cute. Ah, kaya may tape dun sa trailer. Ikaw ay dilaw. Ay, tropa na sila. Oh, so nagdo-drawing din si Maloy before. Or like, she makes art as well. Pero, more like dark stuff. Oh my gosh. And then he brings the color in. Christ. And it's so cute. Oh. Nag-drawing ba talaga si Maloy? Lo! Yung magpapahali ko na ang katabi. Oh, tika mo, mas bright na yung color nila ngayon. Kanina, may tinge of like yellow, pero medyo dark pa rin siya, di ba? Yung shade. Pero ngayon, tika mo, oh, bright na siya. Oh my gosh, the yellow! Papuntang Santa Rita sa amin yung yellow na jeep. Kinagsisilbing tanglaw. Ika'y dilaw. Look! Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Lo, kinilig. Lang kung anong sagot sa ano daw? Thank you. Iyak ko yung malip reading na yan eh. Charis. Anong goodbye? Ah, so it's a real goodbye. Did he say see you? Kasi mabadip talaga ako see you yung sinabi niya kanina. Tapos bigla siya nawala. Bastusan. Papafall ka, tapos mawawala ka. Sapakin kita eh. Lang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw. No, don't end there! Oh my gosh, it's so rude! How dare you? Seriously? JD Alberto, co-directed by Maki. Bakit? Oh, Charis, baka meron pa. No. Papadilawin mo buhay niya, tapos ngayon dark na naman, sapakin ko kayo, nakakainis naman, no? Unless, ano yun, te? Pakita mo! Ano yun? I don't do well with like open endings. Teka lang, babalikan ko lang yung, I think, pasiyo ni Maki. Naku, tapos biglang, pag see you talaga yun, ako mabadrip ako. Teka lang. Wait lang. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Hindi pala see you. Sorry. Sorry, be. May trauma kasi ako dyan sa mga lip reading na yan eh. Nakakainis eh. Sabi niya, see you. Ay, sabi niya, thank you. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko man lang, well, technically nagpaalam siya, pero hindi actual na paalam, ginulat mo yung tao eh. Tapos, papadilaw-dilaw ka, tapos, pakin ko. Kainis. Kainis ako! Anyways, ang cute nung song, tsaka yung pagkaka-incorporate nila sa music video, gusto ko yung si Maloy. Akala ko, I just realized, akala ko si Maloy yung dilaw for him. Pero actually, siya yung dilaw for Maloy. Right? Kasi siya nga yung yung nalagyan siya ng paint, 'di ba? So siya yung nadilawan. Siya yung nalagyan ng paint. Tapos siya din yung dati dark yung mga niya, yung mga paintings niya noon. Tapos dumating si Maki, parang mas naging bright na siya. Hindi lang naman siya, natulungan din naman si Maki. And I really relate to that. As a really sad kid, nung high school ako, bata pa ako nun, and I used to write, but I still do, poetry. Tapos, pag binabalikan ko yung mga sinulat ko dati nung bata ako, it was very dark, na parang, ewan ko kung anong issue ko nung bata ako. Pero, sobrang dark niya lang na, ang sad niya lang. Tapos, naging fan ako ng Super Junior. And it started looking up from there. So, I guess, ang dilaw ko ay Super Junior. Pero, may kanta din yung Sujo na gano'n na Miracle. Tas ang lyrics niya, parang dati, everything was dark sa buhay ko. And then you came, it was like a miracle. And it became like everyone looked happy. And, and I felt like it was the same message dito sa kanta ng Dilaw. At saka yung music video niya. It was so cute! It was my first time seeing Maloy and Maki actually act. And they were pretty cute. And they were good. Bad trip lang talaga ako sa ginawa ni Maki. Like, nakakainis. Papadilaw-dilaw ka, tapos papa-fall ka, tapos iwanan mo kami sa ere. Kami! Sorry na, hindi ko ma-shake off yung paulit-ulit na words since nanggaling ako ng Pilipinas. Tapos mga 2 weeks na ako back here. Pero ako pa rin, dilaw! Paulit-ulit. May I'm just really glad na buo na mapapakinggan yung song. Actually, hindi ko pa siya na-check sa Spotify. Baka later pa yung labas sa amin dahil sa time difference. But at least may whole song na siya and I'm so happy. I've met Maki a couple of times when I was in the Philippines. Coincidental lang na nung nasa ABS-CBN ako. Tapos na-meet namin siya sa labas. And he already passed us and we were like, Maki, pa-picture! And he came back and took pictures with us. He was so nice. Kahit nung JRU, nakita ko din siya nung palabas na sila. And he was like, this. Oh, he's so cute. He fits like the Dilaw concept really well. And he has a good voice. So, oh my gosh. I've been practice. Yan na naman siya. Itugtugin sa ukulele yung Dilaw. Pero yung part lang na na-release niya sa TikTok yun. But ngayon, I think I would be able to play like the whole song na. Pero sa akin lang kasi hindi naman ako magaling. But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This actually made me happy. Let me know what you thought of the music video and the song down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!